Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Cherry from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm going to begin with drawing a semicircle line for the top of her head. On the left side of that curved line, I'm going to extend that line diagonally out and down, and at the tip of the ear I'm going to make a semicircle turn back up to that point and back to the base of the ear. I'm going to draw a curved line down and a semicircle turn. And we're gonna do the same thing on the right side. And for the lower part of her face, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. So for the eye, I'm gonna draw an elbow shape from this point off center, curved line at the upper section, and another curved line for the lower part of the eye. And above the eye, I'm gonna draw across a semicircle line right there, and we're gonna thicken the center part. And we're gonna leave the sides sharp. And for the lashes on top, I'm gonna draw 3 lines at that point, and another one right there, and another one at this point right here. Now I'm going to thicken the lines of the eye as well. And I'm going to add 3 lashes below the eye. And inside the eye, I'm gonna add a curved line at this inner corner and a semi-oval shape at this outer corner right there. I'm gonna copy the whole shape of the eye on the left side. For her nose, I'm gonna draw a oval shape at this point right here. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw another oval shape. Now for her mouth, I'm gonna take the point on the right here and draw a curved line right there, and I'm gonna thicken that up as well. Now the pattern on her face, on the right eye, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line at this inner corner of the eye and surrounding the upper part as well. And then I'm gonna make a turn down on the right side of the face and a semicircle turn at that corner right there, and we're gonna extend that line back to the semicircle line. On the right ear, I'm gonna draw some curved line from this point and right there. Now below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from this point at the corner and turn it in with a semicircle line, and slightly beside the starting point, I'm gonna draw a curved line down for the side of her shirt. I'm gonna add a flare curved line at the lower point there, and I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side. And at the lower point of her shirt, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Now for her arms, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the sleeves and a semicircle turn back up to the side of her shirt. I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side, and below the shirt, I'm gonna draw from the side a curved line down and turn it downwards with a curved line, and across a curved line at the bottom point right there, turn it back up to the center and across a curved line at that point. And we're gonna copy the same shape on the right side right here. Now for the patterns on her shirt, I'm gonna draw her collar with a semicircle line below the head right there, and from the center I'm gonna draw a line down to the bottom point of the shirt, and we're gonna draw the other line diagonally at the sides like that, and the same goes on the left side right here. And in between those lines, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and repeat that. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.